cutest robot. Roby is the name. Making friends with animals. That's Roby's favorite game. On land and in the sea, in deserts in the tree. Who wants to play with Roby?
Sassy! 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 Uy! Sassy! Be!
Friends with Roby. Roby, you're sleeping. These beautiful
Busy ka?
creatures are called ducks.
Busy ka mag-watch?
Just about to get up
Ha?
and start their day.
Busy yan mag-watch?
Mr. Duck is up now and ready to play. Ducks come in many different colors. There's
Sassy.
a brown one and a black one.
Sassy!
Yes,
Ah!
this one even has some green on it. Look how
Ayoko. Diyan ka lang. Diyan lang
It must be
ikaw.
great being a duck, spending all your time in big groups with friends and family. These groups are called flocks. Very funny, Roby.
Bye-bye.
You just made a flock
Bye-bye.
of
Clap your hands
robies.
muna. Clap your hands. Sassy!
Together,
Clap
they
your
will do
hands.
fun things.
Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap your
Ducks
hands.
aren't just
Dance na lang, dance.
They're
Tet, tet,
fast
tet, tet,
flyers,
tet,
too.
tet, 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 tet. Dali. Dali. Clap your hands. Uy. Busy naman manood. Busy naman yan.
This is a baby duck, and baby ducks are called ducklings and hatch from an egg.
Bye-bye.
Baby ducks learn how
Bye-bye.
to swim after they hatch.
Bye.
They just hide in the water and follow their mother.
Bye-bye.
And if the ducklings swim too
Bye-bye.